Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. One of the TV shows that defined my childhood is without a doubt The Simpsons, and I thought it was a fun idea for nostalgic reasons to draw this crazy family in my own style. Woohoo! So let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. Okay, here we go, The Simpsons. I'm really excited for this one. These characters were a big part of my childhood, and I remember watching the show every day after school. In the beginning I thought the drawing style was strange and way different than we were used to see on TV back then, but the characters and stories really appealed to me, and before I knew it, I was a fan. I think it will be a fun style challenge to draw these awesome characters in my more realistic, highly detailed comic book style, and there are for sure some challenges I will need to tackle here. I'm thinking about the hair of Lisa and Marge, for example, and also the animals, the dog, Santa's little helper, and the cat Snowball, which I wanted to include in the drawing as well. These multiple character illustrations are great fun, but also very time consuming. This drawing took me about 5 hours, but I think it was worth it. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out the pencils to define those lines and to add more details. The Simpsons is an American animated sitcom created by Matt Groening for the Fox Broadcasting Company. These series are a satirical depiction of American life, epitomized by the Simpson family, which consists of Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa and Maggie. The show is set in the fictional town of Springfield and parodies American culture and society, television and the human condition. Groening created a dysfunctional family and named the characters after his own family members, substituting Bart for his own name. He thought Simpson was a funny name because it sounded a lot like Simpleton. Since its debut on December 17, 1989, 704 episodes of the show have been broadcast. It's the longest running American animated series, the longest running American sitcom, and the longest running American scripted primetime television series, both in terms of seasons and number of episodes. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Painting time! Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of the Simpsons. Who is your favorite Simpson character? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!